Hello guys, today I will show you our location. We changed into the kitchen side. So never mind, we just ignore the voice behind. So I would like to show you, I bought the ring light in LAZADA. So now we open it. Wait, I move properly. So we open. I buy a selfie ring light. So, okay, wait. I double check my microphone. Okay. We need the light because we are doing the tutorial sometimes. So if you cannot see my face, it's not nice. So I will show you. So then this is the mono pad. Actually, you can put longer if I'm not mistaken. Wow. Oh, in fairness, long. Okay, like this. I'm not sure. Are you okay? Okay, a bit hard. Wait. Okay, like that. So we open this. Okay, this is the one. Okay. Just smell strange, huh? So this is the one. Okay, the cover. The stand. This one you have to screw. Wait, I feel like very difficulties because I put longer. Okay. Okay. So like this. Okay, become like this already. Should look that. Okay, so this one I open. I put lower down. I open this. This is the light. Now we have light. 16 centimeter because it's have a promotion. So I buy this light. Very small. But it's okay as long as I have a light. When I'm doing in my room, so at least I have light. Okay, so my important is a night time because it's nobody and not noisy. I prefer at night. It's better than the morning. So I prefer at night. Oops. We do this one. Wait. Okay. Okay, like this. Just like this, guys. Small. Very small. Because we don't have money yet, so we buy this one first. At least have light, huh? Okay. We need to assemble the lights. Can go up and down some more. Wait. Okay. Like this. Like this. Oh. Okay, so I decided to buy because no light. It's not easy without light. So I will find a way that we can do the light. See, longer. It's better than nothing, guys. Okay, Can make it longer, but the only one thing, the ring light is smaller. But it's okay, but you know, it's better than, oh, guyang, guyang, guyang. Oops. We stand up, guys, because you all cannot see what I did. Okay, oh, but in fairness, it's taller. Wait, we put tight, we tight, because if not tight, it will be dancing. Okay, we already have light. We tighten. We tighten. Okay. Guyang, guyang, guyang. It will turning. It's okay. It's very light, but it's okay. It's better than nothing. Look at that. See, I'm shorter, right? At least we can use this. Oop, 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 oop. We put shorter because hala, matumba. Okay, done. You know, this light very small, but it's okay. So we can put at the USB. Okay. Wait. Let me see first how to on. This one is the switch. We can switch here. Wait, I show you. Here. Oh, okay. Better? I got light. I'm happy for that. Even he's so small. Because you know why? You can see my face. I'm happy for that. I'm not sure how much. I forget how much I bought it. Let me find the receipt here. Later I will show you guys because I remember also. Okay, we change the light. You see, guys, if I show you your okay, wait. Look at that. We the blue color. Oh, got brighter. Look at my face. I love it. Which one better, like this or like this? I prefer like this, but of course very bright, no? Okay, this is okay, you can lower also if you want to low. Okay, low, bright, low, bright. Okay, so nice. Now I have already. We don't need to have a problem. Which one better? Okay, better like this. Okay, now it's already brighter my face. Better. Okay, I put behind so that you can see my face bright than this. You know, sometimes when I put this side, only this side. Okay, now better. Okay, I put like this, then the bright shine is with me. Okay, I will show you my lights. Okay, so I will check my phone how much, because it's in my phone, you know. It's in my phone. Should to, because I edit some of my things, so I put in my phone. Now I have a light. Now, can see? Wow. So today I'm wearing the pulu, but we are in the kitchen. But it's better, you know, to wear the formal dress when you do the YouTube. Sometimes you know, you are in the kitchen, you have to wear that. So I download already. I will show you my LAZADA order. I will do for you the screenshot, then I can share with you. 16 centimeter only is very quite small, but it's okay. It's better than nothing, you know. At night, the important is your face. So hello guys, you are noisy. Do you know how to edit that the noise will be gone? I want to edit that because it's noisy, so I cannot do my vlog. So now better, my face can see, right? Wait, let me check to change my light. Need to change brighter than this. Oh, we have to change like this. No, 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 no. Oh, become like this, better. That's all. Hop. Okay. Now brighter. Now okay, right? Can see my face. Never mind. I will find a way how to change my. I need to change. No, I'm finding my LAZADA. How much I did order this. So the noisy, I need to study the noisy where I can get the to delete the noisy. Oh, I cannot take it already. Now better. Look at you. Hello guys, very hot, very noisy, but it's okay. We have to find a way how to delete that. Ayun. Okay, I bought about 32. I will screenshot to you. 32. Hey, can I see? Cannot see. I cannot see, guys. But it's okay. We do the screenshot. 32.67. So nice. It's very good. This morning I'm doing the hula hoop. So I did posted. I do the hula hoop. So I eat also the samyang. I download. Guys, very noisy. Okay guys, I finish up because